Hello and welcome! In this video I am going to show you one simple trick that will make every chord you play so much more beautiful, more flowing and just way more interesting. And the best part is, it's actually super easy to learn, so don't miss that. And if you are new here, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My name is Melanie, I studied music education, and on this channel I show you all the things you usually don't learn in regular piano lessons. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely stick around. And by the way, you can also download a PDF for today's tutorial with all the examples you learn in this lesson. The link is in the description below. And I would say, let's get started. So here is the chord progression we are working with today. We are starting with C major, then we have E major, then we have also A minor, and then we go to G major. And now we are going to play these chords in specific inversions. Let me show you this. We will start with C major in second inversion. Then we move to E major in first inversion. And getting there is actually really easy. All you need is to play your index finger instead of your middle finger now, and just to move your thumb up by a half step. Okay, if you look at the hand movement, it's just a small shift, right? From C to E major, C major to E major, right? So practice this a few times until this feels comfortable. And then after this, the things are getting easier. We are going to A minor root position and in the end to G major root position. Okay, so let's repeat this. We are starting with C major, second inversion, then we go to E major, first inversion, then A minor root position and G major root position. And now we will play every chord 4 times, okay? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to C again. All right, now let's add the left hand. Here I'm simply playing a 1-5-8 pattern. A 1-5-8, that means root, fifth and octave. That means when we see the chord symbol for C major, then we are playing these 3 notes, root note, fifth and octave. Okay, 1-5-8, and we are playing all notes together. And I think it's very easy because often naturally the index finger lands on the fifth. When we just play the octave, then normally the index finger is absolutely right, yeah? And so easy is this 1-5-8 shape, okay? And when we go to E major, then we take the whole shape and we will begin on the E, yeah? The 2 outer notes is the octave and in the middle, this is the fifth, okay? Then we are going to A minor now. That means 1-5-8 again. But here you only play the 2 lower notes, so your hands don't collide when you are playing the A minor triad here with your right hand, okay? And the same thing for G major, just play the 1 and the 5. So this is the complete 1-5-8 shape, and then you leave out the thumb this time because like this you have enough space for your right hand, which is playing the G major triad here. Okay, that means we have C major, then we go to E major, then we go to A minor, just play the 2 lower notes, and then you go to G major, and here also just play the 2 lower notes, and then we have it. Okay, let's practice now, both hands together. 3, 4. Okay, all right. Repeat this a few times until you feel safe. Now let's make this progression sound more interesting. Exercise number 1. Here I show you a beautiful broken chord fill. We will play the chord twice and then we break it up like this. We are playing top, bottom, middle, top. And the rhythm goes like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? And then we apply the same idea to every chord. That means then we are going to E major and we are playing the chord twice. And then again, top, bottom, middle, top. Next chord A minor, we play it twice. And now the broken chord fill and G major. And now again, top, bottom, middle, top. Okay, so I think this is very beautiful. Let's try it with both hands together. 3 and 4 and. Wonderful. I think it sounds a little bit like when we are playing the guitar, right? I think there are some similarities. Now I show you the second exercise, the ring finger pinky fill. Here you also play the chord twice and then you alternate ring finger pinky, ring finger pinky. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you go to E major. You play the chord twice. Ring finger pinky, ring finger pinky. Now A minor. You play the chord twice. And then ring finger pinky, ring finger pinky, G major. Ring finger pinky, ring finger pinky, and then you land again on C major. Let's try both hands together. 3, 4. Wonderful, right? And just a quick reminder, if you want to practice this properly, don't forget you can download the PDF for this lesson. The link is in the video description below. And now I show you exercise number 3. Here we will combine both fills. Let me show you this. In bar 1 and in bar 3 we will take the broken chord fill. And then in bar 2 and 4 we will take the ring finger pinky fill, okay? Like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Isn't this beautiful? And I think this already creates a lot of variation, so try this out. And now we are coming to the final level, okay? Now I will show you a combination, because for the ultimate challenge we will now completely connect both fills with another. Okay, so as you can see, we have no more block chords here. Everything is flowing, and we are starting here with the broken chord fill, and then this is the ring finger pinky fill. Okay, and this we will do in every bar. Let me color this for you. Okay, all right. Now you can clearly see what's going on here. That means we are starting with C major second inversion. First the broken chord, ring finger pinky, ring finger pinky. Next chord, broken chord first, ring finger pinky, ring finger pinky. Now next chord, A minor, okay, root position, broken chord, ring finger, pinky, ring finger, pinky, next chord, G major root position, broken chord, ring finger, pinky, and from the beginning, right? So practice this a little bit faster, like wonderful. Now together with the left hand. 3 and 4 and. Okay, wonderful. And also, if you noticed how much fun it is to create something creative at the piano using chords, then you should definitely check out my online course Modern Piano 1. There I show you how to actually play the piano with chords and how to get comfortable with inversions and how to improvise beautiful melodies, even if you've never done that before. If you ever thought playing from sheet music is okay, but just sitting down and freely playing, that's only for the super talented people, Melanie. So don't worry, I teach you a clear, structured system and I will guide you step by step. And you will find more information about this course in the video description below. But now comes something very sweet at the end. Now we will play everything 2 octaves higher, okay? So we played it here, then we go 2 octaves higher, okay? And you will get this beautiful music box effect. It will sound very soft and playful and almost like a lullaby. Let's hear how that sounds. And by the way, just in case you were wondering, wait, E major isn't even in the key of C major, right? Exactly. This is what we call a secondary dominant. Let me show you this. And in this case, the E major is the dominant of the A minor. So let's say the A minor is our target chord. How do you find the dominant chord which leads to the A minor? It's easy because you just have a look at the A minor and there you look, okay, what's the 5th? And you know, when you just play the triad in root position, then you know, there where your pinky is, this is the 5th. And on that note, you just build a major triad. And this is E major, yeah? And this E major, I will play it down here, leads wonderfully to the A minor. Yeah, you can hear it, how beautiful this resolves into the A minor triad. And you can make it even stronger, this effect, by just playing a dominant 7 chord. So instead of just the E major triad, you could say, okay, I will play the minor 7, yeah? Beautiful, right? But for this exercise, we just take the E major chord and then, yeah, I think this is a very surprising chord here when we are playing C major and then we are going to E major, because you wouldn't expect that. And then comes the beautiful resolution into the A minor and then the G major, which leads again to the C major. So don't worry if that feels a bit too much right now. I just wanted to mention it briefly. All right, that's it for today. And if you enjoyed this lesson, then I highly recommend you watch this one next, because there I show you a really cool arpeggio trick that I think you will love. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.